gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. So the wine today for my grown folk, my 21 and over. Is this grease? But this is the Apothic Red wine. I showed this last week. I love it so much. I showed it twice. This stuff is so good. Anywho, let's not act like I'm not coming in here busting in with this silver hair. This hair is from samsbeauty.com. Now, samsbeauty.com is an online beauty supply store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weave, you can buy everything that you need. Now, the hair that they sent me today, this hair is called the Ali Bundles Unprocessed Brazilian Virgin Human Hair Weave. It comes in a pack. Your frontal in 3 bundles to go with it. Now, this one originally came as 12-inch frontal with 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles that I've cut up to about 12 inches. I'll go ahead and show you the back. Let me show you what she looks like back here. Now, the cover that I have is a OTN/silver. It goes from dark to like this ash brown down to a silver. They have turquoise, they have pink, they have all types of colors. And I'll go ahead and leave a link for this hair down below. Y'all want to see how I got this beautiful creation? Please keep on watching. I'm starting off by bleaching the knot. So I'm using the same combination that I always use, which is the Kaleidoscope Lightening Powder as well as the Clairol Developer. I just mix that together, and it has to be like a toothpaste consistency so it doesn't bleed through the lace and bleach the actual hair. You only want to bleach the knots. So we're just going ahead and laying that all over the lace. Use a light hand. Don't do it too heavy because you will end up bleeding through the other side. So take your time and do it lightly. So once we're done with that, we're going to turn the lace frontal over and lay that down on foil so it helps it to process a little bit faster. And now that we're done with that, we've already dried it out and washed it out, the bleach and everything off. So now we're just going to go ahead and sew it down onto the cap. And then we're going to follow that with sewing down the bundles as well. I'm starting off with I think this is what, 18-inch bundle? Starting off with an 18-inch bundle. And then I move up to the 16-inch bundle. I only used 2 bundles in a frontal. The 14-inch bundle I didn't use at all. So I filled up the cap with just those 2 bundles, which is actually really good. So now I'm just going to cut off the excess cap, and now I'm going to just chop the hair into the style that I would like. Y'all know I love a bob, so I'm just trying to make sure I chop it down to something that's easy and breezy. I'm also going to curl the hair. I'm curling away from the face, and in order to get to the hair at the back, I'm just going to put it on the mannequin and curl that away from the face as well. So on the left side I curled away, on the right side I curled away, so we gave it like this really cute tendril like soft look, which combats kind of like the harsher color of this wig. So I'm also going to turn inside out and use the L'Oreal Root Cover Up to tint the lace. And I'm going to cut off that excess lace on the front of the wig. We're going to take our wig grip just to hold this wig cap down and in place. And we're going to place some Got To Be Glued over the front of the forehead just so we can adhere this lace onto this head and then make it melt into our head. That's what we like. We like to melt our lace. Take your blow dryer until it gets tacky and a little bit clear. And then place the wig on top of your head and then use the end of a rat tail comb once you adhere it to the glue. Use the end of the rat tail comb just to make it lay down nicely. If you use your fingertips, it'll kind of make the glue less tacky. I'm going to use this, I guess this wrap paper that my mother-in-law gave to me and place that on my head. You know, they use it for the short cropped haircuts, and leave that on my head for about 15 minutes and we're done. So now that we're back, I'm in love with this hair. This is my first time wearing this hair. I don't know how it wears, but as far as the coloring and all of that, I am in love with it. I think they did a really good job. Y'all, grab your glasses of wine. Those of y'all that are on break, get another glass just to celebrate. I got a full-time job, and when I have this time off, honey, I drink it in like a big bottle of red wine. Yes, ma'am. Please let me know what other hair colors you'd like me to try. I'm trying to venture out into uncharted waters. I think that's basically it. I hope y'all really enjoyed this review. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.